Clarity is actually dedicated to my best friend and my boyfriend that actually passed away and became my guardian angel 3 years ago. I was only 23 years old, and that obviously changed my life. I mean, it made me rethink how I thought about life and following my purpose, passion, my dream. And as painful and traumatic as it was, you know, I think it brought me to my higher self, which is kind of why she answered, you know, what is your music a love child of? And I always say it's like a past self and my future self, because even though everything happens for a reason and obviously it was so painful, like, I don't think I would be in this position if, you know, certain things didn't happen and pan out the way that it did in my life. So if you guys have ever lost any loved ones, feel free to resonate with the lyrics. We're gonna bring it back and slow it down a little bit. So yeah, this one's called Clarity and it's dedicated to my guardian angel. I don't really know my place, but I know where I'm meant to be. Been moving forward every day. Wish I could just move slowly. Everything happens so fast. I need the time to take it in. Without you, I know I won't last. Baby, can you help me breathe again? Just breathe again. Breathe again. Breathe. I just need some clarity, and I just need serenity, and I just need you here with me. And baby, come and be my peace. Been fighting battles in my head, I don't know where it ends. Been fighting demons in my heart till I can't feel again. Becoming so numb to this pain. The world is just so cold to me. You always make me feel the same. And baby, can you help me breathe again? Just breathe again. Breathe again. Breathe. I just need some clarity, and I just need serenity, and I just need you here with me. And baby, come and be my peace. And baby, come and be my peace. I'm waiting, been waiting. Give me clarity. No things just aren't the same, and I just need you. Oh no, and I just need serenity, and I just need clarity, baby, 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 come and be mine. Come and be mine, my peace, and baby, come and be mine.